Mastering Trello as a Pro, Beginners to Advanced. Welcome to Mastering Trello as a Pro, and I'm Savan Kumar, your instructor for this exciting journey into mastering one of the world's most popular productivity tools called Trello. This course is designed to transform the way you manage tasks and projects. Whether you are a beginner exploring Trello for the first time or a seasoned professional looking to leverage AI tools for automation and efficiency. By the end of this course, you will master Trello basics like creating boards, lists, and cards, learn advanced features like workflow automation and team collaboration, explore cutting edge AI integrations like using ChatGPT to generate tasks and Zapier to automate workflows. And that is just the beginning. So, why Trello and AI? Trello is trusted by over 50 million users worldwide, from small businesses to Fortune 500 companies. And AI tools can save you up to 30% of your time by automating repetitive tasks and streamlining your workflows. Imagine spending less time on tedious updates and more time on focusing on what really matters. So, what to expect in this course? We'll start with the basics, learning how to set up Trello, boards, lists, and cards. We'll know about advanced workflows, move on to advanced workflows, automations, and power ups. And finally, explore how AI tools like ChatGPT, Butler, and many other AI tools can transform the way you work. You'll also get hands on exercises and real world examples to help you apply what you learn right away. To have you here, and can't wait to see how Trello and AI will revolutionize your workflow. Let's dive in and start building something amazing together.